Newcastle University's research has always been about the industry and things that we can use within the industry. The gait analysis, for us, it's been used as a predictive tool for lameness in sows. We want to be able to identify it so that we can treat animals early, which is obviously better for the animal, for its welfare, but also from a production point of view, we can lose those animals out of the production system that are prone to lameness. It's borrowed technology really from the animation industry and filming industry, like gaming and so on. Films like Avatar would have used this technology. We use the reflective markers, and we get an image that comes up on the screen that looks basically like a skeleton, and we can use that data to be able to accurately measure differences in the gait and also in the angle of the joints and so on, which is a predictive sign of illness. We used Louisa there as a model for demonstrating the equipment, but this shows you the kind of image that you get from what we did. Each of those markers that were on the joint centers can be joined up to make basically a skeleton walking across the screen, and then you can have accurate measurements between those markers, which tells you if there's a change in the way the animal's moving over time, and which could be a good indicator of potential lameness. So what we want to do is develop a system that is a simple camera put on a wall above a race that will do the same job as this equipment, but it's easily affordable and anybody can have access to it. The feed mix and delivery system that we've got here, it combines a number of technologies. Firstly, the multi-file system, which draws different ingredients or different feeds from the silos on the end there, mixes it and then delivers it to whichever hopper you tell it to deliver it to. We have an option to have an EDAP feeder. An EDAP feeders are electronic feeders which will identify each individual pig. It will then weigh that pig each time it goes into feed, tell you how much feed it's eaten and how long it spends feeding. So it's a tremendous amount of data that can be collected and really useful for people like feed companies, etc.